Thanks for that. Let's focus on the print media space. A bit of a good news coming in. The government agency called DAVP, or the Directorate of Audio Visual Publicity, has hiked the rates at which they allocate advertisements to print media by as much as 19%, but it's an interim order until we get more clarity as far as the next set of recommendations are concerned. How much is the upside? Shefali is adding more color on that. Shefali.
So Ashu, basically these are the rates at which the government releases ads to the newspaper. So it's a boost coming in for all the for the entire print media. And in fact, we even spoke to DB Corp in the morning, and they said that while this 19% hike is a very welcome move, but they were anticipating much more. So this is an interim order, and a rate structure committee has been constituted to give its recommendations on what the final rates can be. So we'll await details of the report or the recommendations that will be put out later on by this committee. But meanwhile, this is an interim order of about 19% hike, so definitely comes in as a boost, because most of these print companies were seeking this kind of a hike. And so whether the revised guidelines or the final guidelines will be much more than this 19% hike, that will also be interesting to watch out for in the future, and how substantial these DAVP ads constitute. These basically release about 410 crore rupees annually, and this has an impact on how PSU companies also give their advertisement. The rates are applicable mostly to them as well. So it's a very big market. We spoke to DB Corp in the morning. Let's hear out to them what they had to say on this rate hike.
This is obviously a welcome relief that has been granted to us. I think we must bear in mind that this is coming after a gap of 3 years, and for the last 3 years the print media industry has been facing the onslaught of inflationary pressures on practically every single cost without any attendant increase in revenues. Given that scenario, I think this 19% hike is certainly welcome. However, if you look at the recommendations that the newspaper associations in India and most of the media houses, including Dainik Bhaskar, has made to the government for the 7th RSC, we have clearly recommended a substantially greater hike just to cover our basic costs. And while we welcome this announcement from the government, we really look forward to a lot more. I think at the current rate levels, an 80 to 85% correction would really make the ground even. And it is not really a hike in the sense of an increase being demanded, but more likely a correction that needs to happen in the prices.
Okay, let's move on. Let's talk about the sweeping